cooling down, we're cooling down. Hello brothers, sisters, how y'all doing? This is where cooking with Sindaco, I'm back again. Yeah, so I've been invited by Mama Lou, yeah, inside Sprinters area zone. I don't know there, yeah. She said, Sindaco, you are in town, so come and eat some AMPESI and palm wine. Wow. Yeah, so I'm away going to Sprinters to meet Mama Lou. Yeah, she's a YouTube fan, yeah. Yeah, let's do this. I'm here at Mama Lou's joint. Alright. Yeah, so this.
Yes, actually.
Yeah.
This is where we do our classes.
Wow. Wow. Dope kitchen. Yeah. Yeah, so Mama Lou, actually she cooks and takes order. Wow. She's in Accra, Sprinters area. Yeah, like nice setup. I see some calabash and some wooden stuffs, like interesting. Wow. Look at this. Wow. Like a whole set of clay to plat and yeah. See the combination, the African style.
Meet you in person.
Yeah, finally.
See, that was the girls were asking if you are married.
Which girls?
The girls who come for the class. When I put the poster up, they say,
Oh, you really?
I said, I don't know, I'm not answering.
Yeah, so basically Mama Lou is a YouTube fan. She saw me on YouTube and she liked the videos that I do. And
I do.
Yeah, so when I came to Ghana, I said, yeah, you're in Ghana, come around and look around. Yeah, so I'm here to meet Mama Lou, a YouTube fan. Like it's really amazing to see people cherish what you do and yeah, small world.
Sindaco, one in town.
Yeah.
Anyway, so we are glad to be here. Looking forward to some good food with Sindaco. So
for sure.
Stay tuned.
Oh, okay.
We do like demonstration, cooking demonstration. We teach people how to cook, you know, interesting dishes, using the same things that we have.
Yeah, so you are a teacher?
I'm not a professional caterer or chef. That's what. I catered for some time, for some years, but now I'm more interested in the cooking and showing, especially our younger ones and even our age mates about our traditional foods, but also how to use like our normal things to do new things, you know, to vary the recipes a little. Because we have to grow them, you know, there's always new things happening here.
Interesting, that is interesting. As like food is an act, so anything that you mix up, you can create something new out of it. And, yeah.
So, you know what this is?
Hikos flour.
Yes, the sobolo. But lots of people don't know it. Someone gave it a friend of mine.
I saw it, but I said, okay, wait, fake.
It's fresh, but fresh from the garden. My friend.
Because normally, the one that I've seen, they all like already spent
and dried.
And dried. So where is I said maybe it is fake?
No.
So they are big like this.
Yes.
I've not seen like fresh
ones before. And these are two varieties.
Okay, the black and yellow. Oh, then this I saw it fake. So this correct sobolo, hibiscus flower. Yeah.
I have a friend who grows it.
Oh, okay.
She's on Instagram. Anafeni Garden.
Wow.
I usually tag it, so look, I'll tag it.
Okay, so you see, sobolo comes with calabash, and then you have calabash.
This one is for palm wine for later.
Palm wine, okay.
Now you are home. You have to do a mamre.
Wow.
So we have special palm wine for Sindaco.
Wow.
It's a whole party.
So, will the 3rd of December event?
Yes, this is where we have it. So this is where we have our cookie demo. So that the girls come, the arrangement is different. They come, we sit down, then we cook different things. When we finish, we set the food, then we eat.
Okay. So on the 3rd of December, she's organizing a food buffet or something. The food demo.
Yes.
Yeah, and I've been invited to come. And,
you are a special guest.
So like when I saw the post, I said, "Hey, but I don't that hype will do home yet." Yeah.
Let's hype you. You are doing a good thing.
Thank you. So I've been invited here on the 3rd of December.
And it's my birthday actually.
Yeah,
that day.
Yeah. So double pack. Yeah, so I'll be here on the 3rd of December, and maybe I'll try to do some live for you to see as well. And yeah, she said food demo, so varieties of food. Local stuff.
Yes. And things that you can do at Christmas.
Okay.
You know, dishes that you can serve or as part of your Christmas menu.
Okay.
So it's a bronya party, birthday party.
Okay, interesting. Yeah.
So we'll be here. So let's see. Let's get started.
Okay. So I want to cook, yeah. Okay.
When a fancy boy comes to visit you, by all means, Kako.
Yeah, since I know how to cook, I need to show. I need to show a bit of my catchy powers. Yeah. So behind me is a dope setup. You wanna see it over here? Yeah, AMPESI, not Brazil. Then we have this combination of folks. Yeah. Over there is Efu palm wine. This soap over here, Sarabella, was made by our mom over there. She does parazone and everything. COVID seminar, you know, already now. Like detergent, so on the detergent name. Like the homemade soap and all the wash chains and she did it. Sarabella, telephone number. If you want a proper detergent, homemade detergent called from Sarabella.
Yes, Sarabella Daily Essentials.
Daily Essentials. Are you on Instagram as well?
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay, so any handles like your telephone number. Okay.
0546
0546 15 25 42
or
057
081
081 92 38. Yeah, so if you want detergent, like any kind of seminar, soap, house, like you know how, yeah, for pavement, bathroom, spiral zone, COVID offense, hand sanitizer, everything, anything. She does it, Sarabella, right?
Yes.
Yeah, interesting stuff and amazing people over here. Like, I'm really loving that atmosphere. Plus, 9 over here, very simple, all made by Mama Lou. She designed everything. This woman here, Sindaco, yeah, she designed everything and just call her as well and she designed this for you. Very simple.
Yeah, just giving me a new career.
Yeah, well, I just love the setup. The setup is dope. I don't know what's called architectural school here.
We also do tea service for people, private tea service.
Oh, echo, how come the caps in another coffee shop now? Because I was like, why there's no caps over here?
So people mobile tea service.
Okay, and she also do orders for people with
special diet. Health, for health reasons, for losing weight,
yeah, vegetarians, vegans, and all those, yeah. Nice. Incredible people over here. It's Sprinters Road of Sakuma no Zone.
Let's go.
Yeah, I'll go over the park. So we have our bunch of people over here, and yeah, about to clean. Yeah, so we have our palm wine here, and this is a setup. Everything ongoing. Mama Lou, Sarabella, and me, Papa Sindaco.
Alright, over to you.
Oh, but she easy. Yeah. Amen.
Amen. Hey, who is praying?
Amen.
Bless. Amen.
Amen. Yeah. My champions, this is the church. So I'll go with our first Cassava. This is Cassava, yeah. And yeah. Okoro. So this is the shrimp and the paste, the granite paste. See? So this is a great joy having this and having palm wine as well. It's less like a white man eating and having beer or wine. So this is our wine.
Very true.
Yeah. This is our wine. White wine. White wine, yeah? If today is the first time watching, kindly subscribe, follow us, turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified. Let's meet again. Cooking with Sindaco for shizzle my nizzle. Eat good food. I'm out.